Yeah. What up? We're back, man. Back up around with another one of them things. While I open this garage, man, y'all go ahead and do what y'all need to do. Y'all know the lingo. Check this out. The Jeep is gone, man. Where the Jeep at? Where the Jeep at? I don't know. Where the Jeep at? So, what's about to happen is, we about to go pick the Jeep. Man, what the hell y'all burned up?
No, yeah, I'll burn it.
Huh?
I'll burn it.
You burnt toast? Rice. Oh. Okay. Yeah, man, about to go scoop up the Jeep, man. Told y'all, had something going on. Hold on. Told y'all, man, we had something going on. So, yeah, about to go pick this thing up. Let y'all see what we done did. Or what she done did. Hey, I'm tripping. I ain't closed the garage. Too excited. Get y'all right back. Want me to see your face? You want to see your face? Man, Berri sitting like she different. Big Berri different than a motherfucker. Hold on, man. Let me go in here and do this right quick. I'm gonna come back, man. I'm gonna let y'all see the jump. I wanna let y'all see it, but I don't wanna let y'all see it. Yeah. Alright, y'all, so this is where we leaving, right? So she did a thing, man. And that jump is, hey, she picked these joints out, man, and I ain't gonna lie. She done good. She done good. That joint sitting up high in a motherfucker, I know that, but she done good. I know y'all like, damn, when y'all gonna let me see it? Hey, it's cold, cause this right here kind of red too. This ain't black. You see it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so think I'll let him see it?
Don't hurt him.
Give it to him.
Don't hurt him.
You give it to him? Alright, y'all. Here it is. Trying to show y'all this cutlass, but I can't now because I got a baby seat behind me that she's partially sitting in, and I got all these tires back here. But yeah, man, we up in the Jeep with the 22s on it.
It's Jeep.
Yeah, Jeep. So now, but I'm gonna tell you now, you can't be getting close to stuff like you was the mother wheels, because you're gonna run into it, because these stick out.
Alright, so I gotta make a little bit of a wide turn.
No, not a wide turn, but you just can't get close to stuff. Like you gotta think it ain't sitting. Your wheels ain't sitting under the fenders no more. They sitting in the they sitting out now. Let me try to fix that for you. Hold on, y'all. at fault here. Y'all see what's going on. Man, these police, man. I don't know. Folks be in their phones and all this stuff there, man. These police do be putting their sirens on like the last minute, bro. Like, man, we can't hear that. Sometimes the police be putting the siren on, man, just to go through the light. Like, man, we can't hear y'all. He smashed that joint up, though. Yes, sir. And we'd have had them spinning caps, it really would have been on. She got them big meat Larry Hoovers on that thing, man. Man, she already been in traffic, swerving on Jeeps and shit. Yes, sir. Them things look good, boy. She picked these out herself, y'all. She asked me what was my opinion. I picked the wheel. She was like, okay, well, I'm gonna go with this one right here. She made a good choice, man. I feel like she made a good choice. I gotta get these wheels out the back, though. Get these wheels out the back so I can put all this stuff back. So hold on. Ooh, man. What's up, man? We got them big meat Larry Hoovers on this thing, man. Yes, sir. That thing look good too, boy. Sitting next to my road. Still got plenty of room in the garage. We should have went 24s on this thing, shouldn't it? Nah, I think 22s. I think 22 big enough for her, man. You know what I'm saying? Cause it's her first time around with something like that right here. As y'all can see, these joints not black. They're like a black cherry or something. So they go with the truck. Cause they not black. They go with the truck, man, with the whole red theme and all that, man. Thought the red was gonna be off, which the red is a little brighter than the truck. But when the sun hit the truck, it changed color anyway, so it worked out perfect. I'm happy. She happy. That's an aggressive looking tire, but it's a step down from a mud tire. It really ain't even a mud tire. So, and y'all see, man, these ain't the little boys, man. These ain't no 22 by 10s, man. Them and there, there's some 22 by 12. Her wheels wider than mine. 22 by 12s on that thing, man. Now I gotta get all that right there. I gotta get all that right there handle, cause that don't look good with them wheels like that. So I'm gonna have to get under there with that wire brush, paint them things up, man, and paint everything up. I'm gonna do the frame and everything. You know what I'm saying? Get up under there, paint everything up, and have it looking all good. Probably take me about, I don't know, cause I'm gonna coat it real good. So it's gonna take me a little bit. Yeah, man. I wish my car could have came together this fast. Wish I had help like that, but I didn't. But it feel good to be able to help her do her thing. Now this joint sitting up even taller. What was the door handles at when I first put the lift on? Man, it's still about the same. They right at my chest. This is my chest right here. So they right at my chest. I don't know what's up with this. Grease or something? What's up with that? But yeah, man, I'm glad she happy with it, man. She's so happy. You know what I'm saying? So glad she happy with it. And yeah, we're just gonna keep on going up, man. But now she is, man, she right with me now, man. She got her wheels, I got my wheels, she got her accessories, I got my accessories. Now I can go ahead, fix my rolls the way she need to be, and we finna ride together, man. You know what I'm saying? We finna tag team the streets, man. Man, y'all see it coming. Y'all might well just move out the way. Cause we come through. We ain't asking no permission. We ain't trying to be like, excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, sir. Can you scoot over? So, nah, bro. We coming through. We coming through. Straight like that. I never thought I'd see this day, though. I never thought that I'd see the day, you know what I'm saying, that me and her be riding together like in separate cars. You know what I'm saying? Like I ain't even really think that she would be into it like that. But here we are. So, man, what we about to do is we're gonna get out in traffic a little bit. Get out in traffic, man, take some pictures. Just do some little stuff, man, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, for her Jeep. A little photo shoot. If not a little photo shoot, we're just gonna do a Jeep, do a little Jeep coat pictures or whatever. And I'm gonna get y'all a thumbnail, man. I'm gonna go out, get a thumbnail about this jump, on this jump. Got a thing on the gas station light. It's sitting pretty big. That thing look good, man. They dusty already though. Ooh, they seriously dusty. You gotta do something about that. Is that brake dust? It can't be brake dust. That can't be brake dust, cause the one on the back dusty too. This one dusty too. So I don't know. But yeah, got the gang up in here. Whoop, look all of them, that look, they just want to ride in the Jeep. Look at them, they ain't tripping. Gang, gang, you know what? Got big gang up in there. Look at big gang.
AC, what's up, daddy?
Yeah, man, we finna ride for a minute though, I guess. Do a little something at night.